Hi, in this video, we shall look at the Crayola Color Pencils 100 count set. This is a very affordable set. The packaging is simple and straightforward. It does feel a little flimsy and not meant for long-term usage. It's likely I will transfer them to a pencil case. It has two compartments, and each section has two rows of pencils. They do look great lined up like this. I have heard many good things about this set, so I'm excited to see how the quality of these pencils is. Looking at them up close, the quality of the wood casing does look questionable, but nothing is broken fresh out of the box, so this is a good start. Sometimes bad wood casing can give you trouble when you sharpen the pencils. For my first impression, I like what I see. The 100 pencils cover a wide range of colors. Of course, I don't expect these to perform like Prismacolor. I hope they are not as bad as some of the pencils I have tried. Looking at these pencils, I think they give us enough pencil that it won't be too challenging to blend to create smooth gradation. These are not designed for professionals, so I don't think they have any light fast rating. I'm not too worried about my artwork fading since I do most of my stuff in my sketchbook, and they are not constantly exposed to light. To be honest, this is my personal opinion. Nothing lasts forever. It's more important for me to find art supplies that I can enjoy and not worry about what happens next. Of course, if you are selling your artwork, you may want to disclose that information. After swatching them, I would say they are not bad. Compared to other budget pencil sets, these are not the highest quality color pencils, but they are not horrible either. If I had to rate them under the budget pencil category, I would put them somewhere in the middle. They are not as soft and creamy as Prismacolor, and you can't layer them like you layer Polychromos color pencils. But you will be able to do some blending and layering with this. I have tried some bad ones that I couldn't layer at all. You can usually find this set for under $20. It's very affordable, and you can have so much fun using these pencils for coloring books or sketching out your ideas. I love the colors in this set. I see so many great options for brown, and some of the cool grays are unique and pretty as well. What I'm going to say next may sound controversial. These Crayola color pencils are more pigmented than the popular Irojitan Japanese color pencils. The packaging design is incomparable because we all know how pretty those Irojitan color pencil sets can be. If I had to choose a set that I could enjoy more, I might choose Crayola over Irojitan. I understand you may disagree with my finding, but I want to be honest with my observation. I really do think I will enjoy using the Crayola more for coloring books. Look at the range of these blues and greens. These colors are amazing, and you have both light and dark tones. You will continue to see from this swatching section that the purple, red, orange, and yellow are also lovely. If you are on a budget but still want to enjoy creating art or love coloring books, this is an excellent set. You don't need polychromos and you can still create amazing drawings. Especially if you think you need a lot more practices, this set is perfect for that. I think this is a versatile, fun set to try. With that price tag, it's usable and practical. Aside from sharing my thoughts on the Crayola color pencils, I have been considering going to pen shows and stationery fests. Have you been to one of those? If you did you enjoy the experience? I know a few pen shows and stationery fests are coming up soon. If you plan to go, please let me know in the comment area. Maybe we can meet up at the events. It's fun and meditative to swatch my art supplies, but I think I need to spend more time creating art and less time buying random items. It can also be useful to see how these color pencils perform in real-life situations. Sometimes, using different papers, the color and texture can feel very different. For example, I love using papers with some texture. It's harder to layer colors using smooth paper. Do you have a similar experience? Anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch and listen to my random thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye.